Generally, right now, I think, this kind of varies, but the current price for indexing an entire subgraph, depending on how big it is and how complex it is about 3,000 GRT. So you basically pay the 3,000 GRT into the contract, and that kind of incentivizes all of the indexers to pick it up. So as of right now, if you probably did that, you'd probably get at least 6 to 12 indexers that would be interested in picking it up, and they would store it for you. And then you get 100,000 free queries per month. So that's kind of a lot. You can kind of calculate that by based on like traffic and what you expect on your application. But you get 100,000 free queries, and then after that, all the queries are priced in GRT according to like the network. But it's very, very cheap. It's probably at least like 5 to 10 times cheaper than if you were to like store and serve data on, let's say, something like AWS or like Google Cloud. And you can also get estimations. So you can kind of start with that 100,000 free queries, and you can kind of see how much traffic you're getting and kind of guesstimate on what's going to be the overall cost.
Nice. How does it? You mentioned like some of the Web 2 type of stuff. How does it compare to that? Just like I know it's hard with the price fluctuation stuff, but how would you? Is it on par to having to set up like something that's on like AWS storing whatever else
I
cheaper?
mean, well, the nice thing is that you don't have to, it's much cheaper. It's a lot cheaper. Like I said, it's about 5 times cheaper than if you were to do like Google Cloud. Plus, you'd have to manage it. You know what I mean? Yeah, the really benefit of the graph is that you just like deploy it, pay that GRT, and it gets picked up on the network, and then you're just utilizing the token. And so, yeah, there's a lot of power there, and it's really easy to do. And I think you're basically, yeah, you're able to save some money. And you're able to do it like with ease and not have to worry about managing the infrastructure.